Instant Payment System Unified Payment Interface has crossed the mark of 10 billion transactions for the first time in the month of August 2023. India took the first step of its mission to study the sun today. The Indian Space Research Organisation launched the mission Aditya L1 through PSLV-C 57 precisely at 11:50 hours from Sriharikota Space Center. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shakti Kanta Das has been rated A in Global Finance Central Bankers Report Cards 2023. Asset under the management of the National Pension System and Atal Pension Yojana has crossed 10 trillion or 10 lakh crore rupees. Indian origin economist and former senior minister Tharman Shanmugaratnam has registered a landslide victory in Singapore's presidential election.